So right here, you can see that as at 10:35 a.m., they sent me a payment of just $12.53, and they say it has been processed. So if I come to my email, you see the confirmation email that I received. So you can see this is from impact.com. And also this is the time here, 10:35 a.m., which is just like 3 hours ago. So you can see they say the fund has been sent and it should hit my bank account shortly. So this is how you can use impact.com to actually earn affiliate commissions. So most people come to me and they ask me, do they really pay and all of that? And I just want to show you just a small overview for this account that I currently have. So this is one of my impact.com affiliate accounts. And just in case you do not know, Impact is a marketplace. So brands come here, they list their products and they want people to affiliate these products and earn commissions. So I'll show you how to do that, but this is just a small proof that they actually pay in case if you have issues or you have doubts with this platform. So this is actually a popular platform, but people always ask me questions like, do they pay and all of that. So here I have just a total pending balance of $3.62. So this amount is going to be moved to the balance when the time for the payment arrives. So what happens is if you affiliate some products, you do not get paid immediately. So there is a lock period, and that's why you have it here as pending. So after the lock period, it will be moved to the balance. But if you come right here, if I come to the notifications right here, you would notice that I received another small payment from this account on impact.com. So right here, you can see that as at 10:35 a.m., they sent me a payment of just $12.53, and they say it has been processed. So if I come to my email, you see the confirmation email that I received. So you can see this is from impact.com. And also this is the time here, 10:35 a.m., which is just like 3 hours ago. So you can see they say the fund has been sent and it should hit my bank account shortly. So I used Payoneer to receive this payment, and I already have videos on how you can use Impact. I have a full 50 minutes video on how you can register and set up everything. But in this video, I just want to show you how you can jumpstart and how you can join programs and actually start making money with these programs. So for you to join these programs here, this website, it keeps getting very, very ugly. I don't know why. They keep altering the design and it gets even worse. However, they are reliable and they pay, which is what is most important. So down here, you see some to-do list. You can see that some person sent me a proposal to work with them, and somebody reviewed another program invitation that I can actually decide to work with or not. So Impact basically works in two ways. They have campaigns and then they have affiliates. For campaigns, brands will pay you to make videos about their own products. For affiliates, you basically earn the commissions by just affiliating their links. So as you can see, these are some of the clicks that some of the links from this very account has gotten. Now, for you to join programs, you can come right here, click on these three dots, and you want to come here where we have Discover. You click on Discover. You can see that we can find brands, we can find products like physical products, and we can find campaigns. So you need to find the particular area you want to focus on. Personally, I like to do software, online services, and all of that because I make videos around this kind of things. So I'm going to come to brands and I'm going to search for a brand that actually favors me or tallies with my niche or the kind of things I do. So here you can see some of the listed brands that they have, like the new brands and all of that. But what you want to do is you want to come to all brands. But before you do that, there are also some brands that you are pre-qualified to join. So this platform, the way it works is some of the brands here, they need you to submit an application manually. So they have to verify it manually. So this is not like ClickBank where you can just generate your affiliate links. this one, you need to be actually allowed into the program. But if you come to the pre-qualified, you see the ones that you're automatically allowed to join. All right. Now, the challenge here is that some of these programs here, they are not going to be in line with what you already do. But if they are in line with what you already do, then it's all good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just come here, come to all brands, and from all brands, you can find different categories that would suit you, that would fit what you do. So if you come to categories right here, you see different categories. So you find different categories that might be of interest to you. So a lot of them are here. So you just want to find your own niche and follow. So I'm just going to use a generic product in this case, just so you see how this is done. So let's see if we can find anything around diet and nutrition. So if you select diet and nutrition, you should be able to see product around this. So for instance, we see this one that says is Giddy Health. This one is Amia. This one is Body Spec. This one is Belly. This is Just Fit. This is Nero Q, Ritual, and a whole lot of them. So you just want to find the one that actually works for you. So I'm just going to use this one called New Leaf. I've selected this one called New Leaf, and I need to, as you can see, I need to apply. But before you apply again, you want to read what they are selling and see if it's actually okay with you. So you see a short description of what they do right here. They're passionate about helping people lead happier, healthier lives through their line of CBD oil products. So as you can see, this is their product, CBD oil products. I don't know what this is, but you want to make some research about that. So here you see their response rates, their funding status, their acceptance rates, and all of that. Again, before you join, you want to come and read the terms. So you have terms here, and then you have details, but also you have the website for this affiliate program. So you want to go to the website and read to see what this entails. You also notice that this is for the United States, which tells you that these guys, they may not be able to ship product outside of the United States. So the orders you are going to get should come from the United States. Most people actually make this mistake and they say they don't get paid. This is actually one of the reasons. So you want to come to here. This is what we are gaining. We are going to, for online sales, we are going to earn between 20% to 50%. And the cookie duration is 90 days. Now, the cookie duration simply means how long somebody clicks on your link, how long they have before they can make the purchase for you to actually earn the commission. For instance, if somebody clicks on your link, they have 90 days to make this purchase. If they make this purchase in that 90 days, you will earn between 20 to 50%. So if you come to the terms, you want to understand what you have to do to earn 20% and what you have to do to earn 60%. So you want to give it some time, and this is where we are going to see all of the breakdown of what we are going to earn. So as you can see here, the first condition for people who would earn 20% of the item sell amount is customer status that is currently existing. So if you have, if these sales are coming from customers who they already have, like customers who already patronize them or who already logged into their websites or who has an account on their website, you would earn 20%, which is actually good and generous, because most affiliates, especially for software and online services, you need only new customers. So for instance, this one is, if the customer is new, you earn 50% of the item sell amount. Then every other thing outside is 2, you would earn 35%. So you come down, you want to see the bonus rates. So if you earn, or if you close between 10 to 19 sales, you will get $50 more. If you close from 20 to 49, you get $100. If you close from 50 to 100, you get 225. The 100 plus, you get $500 as bonus. These are bonus rates, and they are actually different from the commission you are going to earn. So if you come here, you see the locked period. Again, when you make this kind of sales, you don't get paid immediately because the buyers, they have the option to return this product if they do not want it. So that's what these locked days mean. So they will be locked for 6 days, and the invoicing will start on the 7th day, and this is when you are going to be paid 20 days after the day they are invoiced. So if they invoice on the 7th of the month, you'll be paid 20 days after, which means around 27th of the month. So again, this is the cookie referral window and all of that. So you can read the terms and everything right there. So if you come here, you come to the details, you see where the service. This is also very important. You can see all the places they service, and the good thing, these guys, it looks like they service every part of the world or wherever they can ship to. So you can go through here, make sure that if your traffic is coming from any of these places, you would, like for instance, this is Nigeria, which means that if they ship to Nigeria, or if I get buyers from Nigeria, I should earn the commission. So now, how exactly do you know how much you are going to earn? So let me show you how this is done, because these are products that have different pricing. You would not be able to just know how much you are going to earn. So let me just copy this. All right. So if you copy this, you want to go to the website itself, and you want to see how much they sell their products, and you basically just want to check the percentage. Let's say somebody comes and buys an item of $200. What is the percentage? So as you can see, this is their shop, this is their CBD oil, and they have different kind of oils and all of that. So we can say yes, we are 21 and all of that. So you can see their oil, you can see their pricing. All right, $89, and they also have some membership stuff. So this is the way you know the pricing. So this is how you know the pricing for the product. So if, let's say, somebody wants to shop this and then they select what they are shopping, you would get you would know how much. So as you can see, they have different packages here. So let's say we want to buy 900 milligrams. You can see that the prices will change and all of that. So you want to just do a total cost of the total item, and you want to make a 20% or 50% of that. So this is how you know what you are promoting and how much you are going to earn. Now you need to actually go and apply to this. But if you come here, all right, if you come here where you click on apply, you can apply to join these affiliate offers. So I'm going to do that again because somehow I went back. So you want to apply to join the affiliate offer. So to apply, you just come here, click on apply, and again, you see how much you are going to earn. So you want to briefly tell them why you want to promote this product or how you intend to promote it. So once they've told you that, once you've sent them that, they will reply to it. They can accept it or reject it. So if they reject it, you have to find another offer. But if they accept it, you'll be able to generate a link. So I'm not going to apply to this because this is not my line of, this is not my niche. But once you apply to it, you'll be able to create links. So after you've been approved, you can create your affiliate link. And to do that, you want to come to the top here. And this is where you are going to find all of your offers that you've been approved to. And all you have to do is just select the one you want, and you can just create an affiliate link. So this is basically my affiliate link, but in your case, all you have to do is just come here, click on create, and then you will create an affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link, and you can just copy it. If you copy it, this is all you need for people to actually land on to make money. So if you copy that and you want to go to an incognito tab, and you paste this link here. So anytime anybody lands on this link and they buy the product, you would earn the commission. So it is very, very simple and very, very straight to the point. However, joining this offer is not the problem. The problem is getting the traffic that would actually buy and actually doing it for free. For instance, this is my affiliate link for this offer. And as you can see this click ID here. This is what satisfies, or this is what shows that, as you can see, this is also it comes from impact.com. So it lets you know that this is an affiliate link. All right. And for everybody who comes here and buys stuff, I would be earning the commission for them using my link. So for you to start actually making sales, you need to have a reliable traffic source. I created a video that shows you how to use Facebook for free to grow a traffic page and actually push them to your affiliate link. So I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. So you want to watch it and you want to combine them together and start making money with impact.com. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. My name is Good Noel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.